Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about alliteration, consonance and assonance. So let's get started. Alliteration is nothing but a repetition of initial speech sounds which are primarily consonants in a sequence of nearby words. So we have to keep in mind that alliteration is nothing but a repetition of consonant sounds, and those consonant sounds are repeated at the beginning of the words. So initial speech sounds, this is a point to be remembered while we are understanding alliteration, that initial speech sounds essentially consonants, and these consonant sounds are repeated in nearby words. So we take an example. This is a line from G.M. Hopkins's poem Pied Beauty, and it says, fresh fire coal, chestnut falls, finch's wings. So we can see here that this consonant F is repeated at the beginning of these words, and it is repeated in quick succession. So we can say that we have alliteration on the sound of F in this line. And the next line of the poem is, landscape plotted and pieced, fold, fallow and plow. So plotted, pieced and plow. We have another alliterative sound, and it is the sound of P. So we have in these two lines, we have alliteration on two letters, F and P. And again, that alliteration on F is repeated in the next line, fold, fallow and plow. So these two lines, they have alliteration on the consonant sound of F and P. This is, now consonance is again nothing but repetition of consonant sounds. Now what is the difference between consonance and alliteration? The difference is that alliteration is the repetition of consonant sounds at the beginning of words. So the initial consonant of words would be repeated. But in consonance, consonant sounds are repeated somewhere in between the words. So consonants which are there in the middle of the words, they are repeated. That is called consonance. For example, we have this small phrase pitter patter. So we have these three consonant sounds repeated in these two words, pitter patter. So we have alliteration on the sound of P, but we have consonance on the sound of T and R, because these two consonants T and R, they are in the middle of the word and P is at the beginning of the word. So alliteration is the repetition of consonant sound, initial consonant sound. So the initial sound is P, so the alliteration is on the consonant of P, but consonance is on the letters of T and R. So we take again the last line of last example, landscape plotted and pieced, fold, fallow and plow. So in this line we saw that there was alliteration on the sound of P and F, but we have here consonance on the sound of L, because it is repeated in the middle of these words, plotted, fold, fallow and plow. So we have consonance on the sound of L. This is consonance. And assonance? Assonance is nothing but repetition of identical or similar vowel sounds. So we have to keep in mind these vowel sounds need to be either identical, same to same, or similar sounds could also be taken into account. So when vowels are repeated in nearby words, we call it assonance. For example, men sell the wedding bells. So we have this vowel E which is repeated and it is pronounced in the same way. Men sell the wedding bells. E. So we have assonance on this sound. Another example could be these lines from John Keats's famous poem Ode on a Grecian Urn. So it says, thou still unravished bride of quietness, thou foster child of silence and slow time. So we can see here that these 5 I's, they are pronounced in the same way. Bride, quietness, child, silence and time. So this sound is repeated in quick succession during these two lines. So we have assonance in these two lines. The writer has made use of assonance in these two lines. And see, these three terms, alliteration, consonance and assonance, they add sonic effects to poems. So writers use them a lot to create a different effect, to create a music in their writings. So they are very important to understand while we are studying literature. So alliteration is repetition of consonant sounds at the beginning of words. Consonance is repetition of consonant sounds in the middle of the words, and assonance is repetition of identical or similar vowel sounds. I hope this is clear to you. Thank you.